In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the Trenchtown Polytechnic helps young people chart a new course for their life.
TVJ's Ray of Hope.
Hope to youths in the inner city is the aim of the Trenchtown Polytechnic College in St. Andrew. Once the Trenchtown High School, now it's repurposed to train unattached youths. For the last 3 years, the institution has been offering associate degrees free of cost for aspirants. Principal Dosseth Edwards Watson says the college's aim is to help people get themselves out of poverty.
Having regard for the social and economic background of the members of the community, the government has decided this is almost like a part of their poverty alleviation strategy to do this human development project.
Courses include the culinary arts, mechanics, and housekeeping.
The college is doing a lot for the community because right now many young people are on the streets, don't have a certificate that can take them a long way. So it's doing good.
It gives you that feeling of being independent, especially when you have children.
Mrs. Edward Watson says Trenchtown is no longer the community it was.
Crime and violence has been down by over 80% in Trenchtown. So you understand the kind of impact we have been having. Our students, they're coming out, many of them are warming to the whole matter of coming back to the education system. I'm here to convince some of my friends that I'm not crazy. Eh?
And so she's encouraging residents in and around the area to take advantage of the opportunities being offered to benefit themselves and the society.
There are a number of hotels that are opening up in Kingston. We need for the community members to come and to be trained so that they can get some meaningful employment.
Come support the college and be a part of it so that they can get a certificate to further themselves.
I'm Kian Morgan with A Ray of Hope.
TVJ's Ray of Hope